Welcome to the Daily Juggle show. Here I am working on 5 club helicopter spins. I just wanted to show you guys this because obviously I'm having a pretty tough time. This trick in particular is really unusual feel. But you know what? I'm going to put myself up to the challenge. My goal is to get 100 catches of 5 club helicopters by the end of August. And right now I can barely qualify it. But I just want to show you guys that I do make mistakes. I do drop. But the key component I want to inspire you guys is to keep going, no matter if it's 115 degrees outside. Just don't stop, keep going. And just the helicopters will cool you down, and then eventually you'll get it. There we go. See you guys.